It's springtime. My yard is filled with stinging nettles, so let's make something. The telltale sign is the little stingers that come off of the stem, hence the name Stinging Nettles. We're gonna make a nettle mayonnaise. First thing, pot of salted boiling water. While we wait for our water to come to a boil, let's rinse the nettles to get rid of any dirt. Add nettles to the water and cook for 30 seconds. Drain nettles and rinse with cold water for 30 seconds. Squeeze dry to remove as much moisture as you can from the nettles, and now roll into a paper towel. To a blender, add 1 cup of canola or grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Finally, your cooked nettles. We're looking to make a nettle-infused oil, so make sure you blend this mixture on high for around 1 minute. After being thoroughly blended, we're going to add 2 whole eggs, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Return to the base and blend again on high for around 30 seconds or until your mixture has begun to thicken. Add your nettle mayonnaise to the refrigerator for around 30 minutes to an hour to mature in flavor and firm up a bit more. And just like that, you've made mayonnaise. Perfect on sandwiches, asparagus, salmon, and even right by the spoonful.